Shania.
I'm Aditi.
I'm Divija.
Increase in the demand for water is due to a rapid rise in population, urbanization and industrialization. Globally, about 70% of fresh water is used in the agriculture sector, primarily for irrigation. India leads the world in water withdrawals for agriculture.
Thus, agricultural water management is closely linked to farmer incomes and poverty. Improvements in water management aid in elevating poverty through better agricultural productivity.
Our innovative irrigation system is a combination of traditional techniques and modern technology. We have come up with a solution to solve the problem of inefficient irrigation and water distribution.
An app that calculates the amount of water required by different kinds of fruit crops through the data that is entered by the farmer. This app can be accessed by the farmers in common places.
Oya pots redesigned to cut off water supply after it receives the required amount through a 3D printer ball valve system. A composite material of clay and biochar is used to make the Oya pots, as observations of several experiments conducted by us show that biochar has several benefits. We observed that when the pot was wrapped in biochar, the porosity increased as biochar is highly hygroscopic and draws water onto itself. We then used this setup in our model agriculture farm. We took the help of pot maker to make the pots done as per our design and specification. The surface of the pots are covered with a bag containing powdered charcoal. The bag is tied using thread.
An IoT system that distributes water to different tanks for irrigation based on the need of the crop by using the data calculated by the app.